Have you ever wondered why your weight keeps creeping up, even though you think you're eating healthy? You skip the junk food, you buy organic, you drink your smoothies, and yet somehow the number on the scale still goes up. The truth is, some of the foods we think are good for us are secretly loaded with hidden sugars, fats, and calories that quietly sabotage our progress. These are the foods that make you gain weight without even realizing it. Before we dig in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join Vital Path Growth, where we uncover life-changing facts that help you live smarter, healthier, and stronger every single day. Now, let's talk about what's really happening on your plate. One of the biggest silent weight gainers is granola. It sounds healthy, right? Whole grains, nuts, maybe some honey. How bad could it be? But most store-bought granolas are packed with added sugars and oils. Just one cup can have more calories than a fast food burger, and because it's marketed as a health food, people pour big bowls or sprinkle it generously on yogurt without realizing they're eating 400 to 500 calories in a single serving. If you love granola, make your own at home with unsweetened oats, nuts, and a small drizzle of honey. You'll cut the calories in half and keep all the fiber and nutrients that make it filling. Another sneaky culprit? Smoothies. Yes, those colorful drinks we see in every cafe and fitness ad. When you make a smoothie yourself using real fruits, veggies, and no added sugar, it's great. But the store-bought or chain versions often use fruit juices, sweetened yogurt, and even ice cream as a base. One large smoothie can pack 600 to 800 calories, almost like a full meal. The sugar spike causes your blood glucose to shoot up and crash, making you hungrier again just an hour later. So what feels like a healthy choice actually keeps your body in a cycle of craving and overeating. Speaking of drinks, let's talk about fruit juice. Many people think fruit juice is a better choice than soda, but in reality your body treats them almost the same way. Even 100% natural juice contains high amounts of fructose, and without the fiber of whole fruit, your body absorbs all that sugar fast. For example, one glass of orange juice can contain the sugar of 4 oranges, but when was the last time you actually ate 4 oranges in one sitting? Probably never. That's why it's better to eat the fruit instead of drinking it. You'll feel full, your body will digest it slower, and you'll save yourself hundreds of unnecessary calories every week. Another food that tricks people is the energy bar. Those small bars wrapped in shiny packaging, labeled high protein or natural, often contain more sugar and fat than a candy bar. They were originally made for athletes who burn thousands of calories, but most of us eat them at our desks or in our cars. One bar can easily reach 300 or 400 calories with 20 to 30 grams of sugar. If you're grabbing them because you're short on time, switch to something simpler, like a handful of almonds and an apple. You'll get energy without the crash. Now, let's talk about salads. Yes, salads can make you gain weight too. Not because of the vegetables, but because of what's on top. Dressings, cheese, bacon bits, croutons, they all add up fast. A Caesar salad from a restaurant can have more calories than a cheeseburger. Why? Because the creamy dressing alone can carry up to 300 calories per serving, and most people use double that amount. To keep your salad light, use olive oil, vinegar, or lemon juice instead of thick dressings, and stick to lean proteins like grilled chicken or tuna. You'll still get flavor, but without the calorie overload. Another sneaky one is flavored yogurt. It's marketed as a healthy snack, but the strawberry or peach flavor usually comes from sugar, not fruit. A single serving of flavored yogurt can contain up to 20 grams of sugar. That's 5 teaspoons. Always choose plain Greek yogurt and add fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey yourself. It's higher in protein and keeps you full longer, which naturally helps with weight control. Now let's talk about something many people eat daily: bread. Even if it says whole grain on the label, it might not be what you think. Many brands mix a tiny bit of whole wheat with refined white flour and then add caramel coloring to make it look brown. The result? You're eating processed carbs that spike your blood sugar and make you hungry again fast. Check the label. If the first ingredient isn't 100% whole wheat, it's not truly whole grain. Better yet, try sprouted grain bread. It's easier to digest and has more fiber and nutrients. Next up, salty snacks like pretzels or baked chips. They may seem like a smarter choice than fried chips, but they're still processed carbs with low nutrition. And here's the catch. The lack of fat actually makes you eat more of them. Fat signals fullness to your brain, so when you eat fat-free snacks, you keep munching. Plus, the salt causes water retention, making you feel bloated and heavier. Swap them out for air-popped popcorn or roasted chickpeas for a crunchy, satisfying alternative. Now let's touch on something a lot of Americans consume daily: coffee drinks. A plain black coffee is nearly calorie-free, but once you add flavored syrups, cream and whipped topping, that morning latte can become a dessert in a cup. Some of those drinks go up to 400 calories or more, mostly from sugar and cream. Try switching to black coffee or a simple cappuccino with skim milk. You'll still get your caffeine boost without the extra fat and sugar. Another hidden contributor to weight gain is eating too many healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are great for you, but in small amounts. Because they're high in calories, even a few extra spoonfuls can make a big difference over time. For example, 1 tablespoon of olive oil has 120 calories. If you drizzle it freely on every meal, that could easily add an extra 500 calories a day. Remember, even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if the portions are too big. And finally, one of the most surprising weight gainers is diet soda. It doesn't have calories, so it feels like a smart choice. But studies show it can actually confuse your body. The artificial sweeteners trigger your taste buds to expect sugar. But when real sugar doesn't come, your body craves food to fill the gap. This leads to overeating and can slow your metabolism over time. Plus, diet soda is linked to bloating and poor gut health. If you need fizz, go for sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime instead. What all these foods have in common is this: they play with your perception. They look healthy, sound healthy, and sometimes even taste light, but they quietly push your calorie intake above what your body actually needs. The best way to fix it is to stay mindful. Read labels, question marketing, and focus on real unprocessed foods that your body recognizes, like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. When you start making those small, conscious changes, you'll be amazed how fast your energy improves, your cravings fade, and your body starts to respond naturally. Because real health isn't about eating less, it's about eating right. And here's the truth that most people miss: your body isn't the enemy. It's not trying to make you gain weight, it's just responding to what you feed it every single day. When you start cutting out these hidden calorie traps and replace them with real, whole foods, your body begins to work with you, not against you. You'll notice you're not constantly tired, bloated, or craving sugar. You'll start feeling lighter, more focused, and more in control. Because real energy doesn't come from sugar or processed snacks. It comes from balance, hydration, and giving your body the fuel it was designed to use. The good news? You don't need to go on some extreme diet or cut out everything you enjoy. Just make smarter swaps. Choose water over juice. Go for plain Greek yogurt instead of flavored. Snack on nuts or fruit instead of a granola bar. These small, consistent choices are what truly transform your body and your health over time. Remember, it's not the one big meal that changes your weight. It's the daily habits that build up quietly in the background. And once you start being aware of what's really going into your food, you take your power back. You control your health, your energy, and your confidence, and not the other way around. So next time you grab something labeled healthy, pause for a moment. Flip it over, read the ingredients, and ask yourself, is this real food, or is it just pretending to be? That one question alone can completely change the way you eat and how you feel every single day. If this video helped you see food differently, make sure you subscribe to Vital Path Growth and stay with us for more science-backed tips that help you live smarter, healthier, and stronger. Because your body deserves the truth, and so do you.